Hi friends, welcome again to know more some crazy facts of some crazy animals. As you know, our list of bizarre animal facts includes the loudest, deadliest, fastest, largest, oddest and most unusual creatures. It is part 6 of this crazy animal fact series. Don't forget to watch part 1 to 5. Now, let's move on. Let's start. Fact number 71. The only fish including both lungs and gills is the lungfish. Fact number 72. Electric eels aren't really eels at all, and they deliver a powerful enough shock to put a horse down. Fact number 73. The eggs of the Yellowhead Jawfish are incubated in the mouth of the fish. Fact number 74. At 0.39 mm, the Patu Digua is considered to be the world's tiniest spider. Fact number 75. Vampire bats exchange their blood with one another. Fact number 76. Bottlenose dolphins were fostered by the US Navy. Fact number 77. Woodstead the bear served in the police military during World War II as a corporal. Fact number 78. Blood is sprayed from the eyes of horned lizards. Fact number 79. Cuckoo birds lay their eggs in other species' nests. Fact number 80. Elephants lament the loss of their loved ones. Fact number 81. Meerkat mothers and fathers teach their young how to hunt scorpions. Fact number 82. Monogamy is found in about 3 to 5% of mammals. Fact number 83. Poachers' traps have been spotted being dismantled by gorillas. Fact number 84. 8,000 years ago, the first depictions of dogs were discovered. Fact number 85. Ancient Egypt was the first place in the world where cats were domesticated 9,500 years ago. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, give our video a thumbs up.